It was day 2 at Mountain Creek and I still had a couple features I wanted to hit, so I was hoping the rain held off and we had a good day on the mountain. I met up with a fellow YouTuber, Sam from MTB Zen Master. Great guy, make sure to check out his channel. I'll link it in the description below. We warmed up on a couple of blue rated tech trails called Fat Lip and the Twist. It was a good run to get loosened up on. Whoa. Oh. This sketchy line. Oh yeah, the trail that goes nowhere. The first thing I really wanted to hit was this little kicker jump on a trail called Salvation. I've been eyeing up this since last fall when I was here. Yeah. Oh, this is it here. There's this little thing down here I want to hit. Kicker jump down there I want to hit. I haven't done it yet.
All right.
It's
like 4 feet.
Yeah.
How you feel? Want to try it today?
Yeah. You gonna hit it, Clay?
I don't know. I just checked it out a second ago. It doesn't look too bad.
No.
Let's check it out again, but I don't know.
The GoPro makes this look easy, but in real life it's pretty intimidating rolling up to it for the first time. Clay was a little hesitant about it, decided to check it out. What are you thinking?
I'm gonna do it, fuck it.
Alright.
That's the spirit.
Yeah. I said to myself, if Clay is gonna do it, I'll just follow him in. He was committed, and with one big exhale, I followed him and hoped for the best. Nice! Woo! Yeah! Awesome, man.
Did it?
Yeah. Yeah, man. It's awesome. That got my blood flowing. Sick. Thanks, man.
I didn't know you were gonna trail in.
Yeah. I was like, if you're doing it, I'm doing it. I was so pumped to be able to hit this feature finally. Decided we better do it one more time just for good measure and get some video of it.
Whoa.
Feeling super good about myself, and then some senders came through and really showed me what it's like to shred.
I took a class.
Oh shit. Riding behind Sam here, MTB Zen Master. Gonna be dropping into Alpine. Made our way down the rest of the mountain. Got a little excited following Sam into Alpine. I was supposed to be following him. Woo! I was supposed to be following him. I kind of jumped ahead of him. The wall rides in Alpine still freak me out. Maybe next year I'll try hitting them. Whew. It was starting to rain, and I knew if I was going to hit the next feature on my list, it was now or never. Yeah, it's raining pretty good here, guys. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but this might be it. We'll see how it goes, but it's getting a little slick and slimy out. This is the Phantom Drop. Anyone familiar with Mountain Creek knows exactly what this drop is all about. I should have maybe scoped this out a little better before just deciding to follow Mark off it. Okay. Yeah. Whoa! It was way higher than I was expecting, and I froze up a little and did a serious nosedive off it. I'm still not sure how I didn't eat serious shit on this. Huh. I almost ate shit there. Just look at the screen grab from when my front wheel hit. Yikes. I saved it, but I was coming in super nose heavy. Oh man, I think my life flashed before my eyes. I just nosedived way too more than I was expecting. Woo. All right, well I lived, but man.
How are your nerves?
They're pretty rattled right now. Oh man, I just didn't pull up enough. Oh man, I'm shaking now.
Got a bit wobbly there, but you did it.
Oh, and my life flashed before my eyes. I was like in the air, and I was like, holy shit, this is huge. My life flashed before my eyes, man.
Nice.
That could not have looked good.
So how'd it feel?
Scary as a mofo.
Scary as a mofo, but yo, you did it, right?
I did it, but I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it again today, because I'm still shaking.
It's always the first time.
Yeah. We did one more super wet lap and decided it was best to call it a day. This might be a little slick. Nice. Yeah, here's the shortcut here. Another shortcut. Braking bumps are brutal. It is getting wet out, boys. Whew. So we're gonna call it a day here at Mountain Creek. We got Sam here. The other two guys are over there somewhere. I'm gonna go meet up with them, but it's just super wet and sloppy out there.
Yeah.
Last couple runs were like, ugh. So yeah, I got some great progression today. Stoked about that. Stoked about hitting that little jump on Salvation and the Phantom Drop. It was scary, but I landed it.
You landed it. And you're ready for the next time.
I'm ready for the next time.
That's real awesome.
So we're just gonna maybe have a beer here over there with the guys and get everything packed away and changed up, and then we got a long drive home. You're probably not as long as I am, but a pretty long drive.
Right.
Make sure to check out Sam's channel, MTB Zen Master. I'll put a link in the description.
Yeah.
You can check that out. And as always, keep your feet on the pedals.
Oh, shut your face, Toogy Howser.